What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my live stream. And today we are looking at gold. We're gonna see what happened yesterday, and did I or did I not place any trades. So uh, before we get started into looking at the heat map or anything, I think today I just want to focus more on gold and actually know what's happened. So yesterday, as you can see, price tested the 1800 level. Now that's a big move for gold. Testing a key level again. Not only did it test, but it rebounded straight off that level. So that's a really good indication that price could still be moving to the upside. Now, I was placing. I did say I'm gonna place buys over here, which I ended up closing my position order only because I saw this huge downwards push. Firstly, it was the wick, and then secondly, it did the exact same thing, but this time it was actually a candlestick. So because of that, I just, I did not want to trade it, so I did not trade. But I did take an L yesterday, and I'm going to explain why I took an L. So later on then, I saw, price ended up going back up, and ended up, would have hit my take profit. My take profit was 18.18, so it's very close to my take profit now, but we did go through a hurdle. So it went up, rebounding off here, going down, and now it's kind of like broken. We would say like kind of broken this box as well. But what I did yesterday was I placed a long position. As I was comfortable with a long position, I placed a long position at I placed a long position at around 11:30. Placed a long position around here is the 1808 area. This is when the market just opened. The market just opened, and I thought, okay, I might as well just place a buy. I'm about to go sleep. I think I slept around like 1 o'clock, and I said, cool. I'm about to go sleep. Buy. Stop loss very tight. I think I kept it like around here, 1806. Reasons why I kept it tight was because obviously I'm not trying to risk too much money. Also had a 0.05, and it was basically where I wanted to originally place the buy anyways. So I ended up taking a loss, hit my stop loss. However, though, my trading plan was still on board. It continued to go up. I think it was just my stop loss was a problem, and also the entry timing was a problem. So those two things, I kind of did not go through. But it's fine though, as the price still went towards where I wanted it to go, so that's still good. Doesn't really matter about what price does, even if I make money or not, as long as it goes the direction I want it to, that's perfect. So right now I'm still looking at price going to 1840. I'm still thinking price could end up going there. I feel like right now, if we just quickly go on the 4 hours, we get to see like what price is doing roughly. It's definitely slowly making a move to the upside. We saw a really nice rejection candlestick over here, now going slowly up to the upside. I want to see what price does over here. You can see price wicked a lot. I want to see how this candlestick closes. So we've got 1 hour 46. So I want to see how this candlestick closes. If it closes as a bearish candlestick, definitely gonna go for them sells, because then we can get a nice sell. For example, over here there would have been a nice sell. Over here would have been a nice sell, and over here could have been a really nice sell as well, going all the way down to here to the 1795 area. So yeah, there's different opportunities that we can go through. Again, I'm just gonna be with gold today, not really gonna do anything else. I'm gonna quickly look on the hour chart, see if we can find any potential entries right now. But again, if you look at the fib, we had a really nice fib retracement here. If I quickly just do this, you can see 61 extension rebounded off that, and now I think it's gonna head to like 1822 area. Again, I don't want to force any entries. I don't want to enter here to target there. I'm gonna wait for like a little dip. When there's a little dip or a little move towards the moving averages, that's when I'm gonna probably most likely buy. Again, price hasn't actually broke this high yet. Once it breaks that high, then we'll definitely definitely see more buying opportunities. We'll definitely see more dips. But you can see that every time price did get to here, there's selling opportunities. Price got here, selling opportunities. price got here, selling opportunities. So there's a lot of selling opportunities at that area. So I want to definitely see what happens in this area before we move on to anything else. I want to move my account. So yesterday I did take it was like a £6 L, which is minor. You know, £6 loss, so 669. I just show you, 669 loss, which is minor. Doesn't really, the trade closed at 1:07 a.m. so I wasn't in it for too long, but it's still, it doesn't really matter. It didn't blow my account or anything, so that's really good. As you can see, we do take L's in these live streams. It's not always going to be wins, but the losses are so minor that, you know, the wins are always like £50-60 and the losses are like £6 to £10 max. So we're doing really well with this account. I want to, you know, I want to be more aggressive there. I want to, you know, get more larger lot sizes but bigger take profits there. I really want to go for 100 pips per day. Yesterday we could have easily got the 100 pips per day. You know, targeting this area here, you know, we would have hit that take profit. You know, if we bought here 100 pips all the way up to here, would have hit a really good take profit. However, is unlucky, as well as you know, price was very indecisive. I was gonna make a video yesterday on what happened to USD, but I did my research and I didn't really see anything that's major on USD. I'm still gonna look out there and see what's happening, but I feel like price USD just made a dramatic weakness. It was like really weak, and gold is now, you know, going towards the upside. If you go on the weekly daily chart, you would kind of see that, you know, we did have that upwards push. You know, look at these long wicks. We were always going to be going upwards. You can see that beautiful W formation over here. You know, now we're going all the way up. I feel like we're definitely going to go to this support over here. If anything, we're definitely going to go to the 1830 area. This is also another support that I'm looking at right now. So yeah, that is actually a really good area, 1830. I might just draw a little rectangle right. That looks pretty decent, that area. Like right here. Yeah, that looks pretty decent as well. 1830 area looks pretty good. Again, if you're new to this live stream, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and join the community. We've been trading every single day. We're looking for entries every single day, so make sure you you know, you go check out the channel as well. I don't know if I want to be doing a live stream tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm doing a vlog instead, which will be released next week. So make sure you stay tuned for that as well. So tomorrow we're not active on the live stream. Tomorrow we're out. As you lot know, we have started a new business, so working on that as well on the side. So the live stream tomorrow will not be on, but it doesn't really matter though. Make sure you like this video, continue watching, watch my previous live streams as well. Check out how I trade, see what setups I had on Friday. On Friday I did have a whole week set up, or the whole, basically like a whole month set up, ready for gold or all the other currency pairs. So go check out the Friday's live stream, which was like half an hour long. Again, make sure you lot subscribe as well. We're 234 now. We're slowly growing. Let's get to 250 by I don't know, by the next end of 2 weeks. Let's try and get that. So keep sharing the content, keep showing people the channel, and yeah. But right now I feel like the best thing to do is probably look for a buying opportunity to 1830. We can definitely, 1830, that's more than 100 pips. I'm just gonna quickly calculate. If I bought here, that's like 100 and some 11 pips. Yeah, I don't mind entering that. You know, I could low-key enter it, long position, right around over here, stop loss over there, targeting over here. Again, that's like a 1-to-2 ratio there. Are you in any other trades? No, I'm not. Trading account is empty right now. There's no trades running right now. I would be entering trades in the morning. I saw trading opportunities, but I want to trade more on the live streams rather than behind the scenes. I think it's good to just, for me to be patient, show you a lot of the setups and trade together rather than just growing behind the scenes. I could just do a whole nother series where I'm trading behind the scenes as well. That could be something coming out as well. So yeah, but right now I'm looking for buys on gold. I want gold to like be around here for an entry, or even like, you know, I want it to just go down one more time so I can enter, and then once I enter, I can have like a really nice take profit. Right now, entering here does not seem smart at all. It just does not. It doesn't seem like the right decision to do. Again, if I do this quickly, if I have like a mini fib, just so I can kind of know the area. Cool. Yeah, I want price to go down to like here. Yeah, that looks like a good place. Or even not even there actually, here. I want price to go here. This is exactly where I want price to be. I want to enter there. Your advice be making me decent, pips, love. Yeah, that's fine. I'm always here to give advice. I'm always here to you know, help you lot out on your trading path. We've been doing this for like 3 weeks now, so it's good that you lot are learning as well. Yeah, so make sure you keep sharing this. Tell your peoples, you know, that we're teaching. I feel like gold will go down now. You know, if this kind of stick, about 9 more minutes, if this kind of stick looks like it can go down. Get all the sellers excited for us to go for a long term buy. It's gonna be slow though. It's Wednesday. Tomorrow, unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna be trading tomorrow, but tomorrow is gonna be a good day. I can feel it. I can feel that gold is gonna be a good day. I feel like gold is just gonna push tomorrow. It's gonna pump. So make sure you're ready for tomorrow. I'm so gutted that I won't be able to do a live stream tomorrow. But you know, it's all good though. We don't have no fear of missing out. We're here. We're cool. But yeah, right now, just literally just trying to wait for gold to go down, and then we're going to we're just gonna buy gold. We're like 50 pips away from our entry, and I could be aggressive. How do I use the Fibonacci tool? Okay, so let me show you. Okay, cool. I could low-key show you. Let me actually show you on a 1 hour, so it makes sense. So I would normally use Fibonacci on a higher time frame. The higher the time frame, the more accurate it is. On a smaller time frame, like the 15 minutes, it's basically you're gonna use the fib much quicker. So basically, how it is let's say you're on an uptrend. Let's say, you know, we're going up, and we want to fill in that retracement area. So for example, we've seen this huge pump in gold. We want to now see that retracement, this little area. We want to predict how far price will be going down in the retracement. Obviously, we got support and resistance ready, but we want to just double check, you know, using some formulas to check if price can actually go to this area. So what we do is we use Fibonacci. Now, the way Fibonacci works is you start from the top. So you start from the highest point in the market, the highest point. So pretend, just quickly before I continue, let me use a replay bar really quickly. So we're here, let's say, we're here, okay? We're here in the market. We don't know where price is going to retrace. We've seen a huge pump. Every time we see a huge pump, we're going to see some sort of retracement. It's always going to happen, okay? So what we do next is we then have our fib. We get a fib. I'm going to show you my inputs. We go from the highest point all the way to the lowest point. Okay, this could be anywhere. I'm going to show you another example after this. And then what we do is we check, okay, which area does it seem that is going to, does it look like, okay, so sorry, no, not the highest point. I did this wrong, sorry guys. So the lowest point, so we're going one upwards trend, so the lowest point to the highest point. Okay, then what we're going to see is we're going to see which resistance support is strong around these key levels. So these are now the levels we want to look at. We can see that, you know, this 1800 is very good level, but my 70 extension is nowhere near it. So we're looking at the next one. Okay, cool. There is some sort of support over here, and it's near my 61 extension. So I'm gonna wait till price gets there, and then we're going to see what we can do. So we're waiting, and cool. Okay, nice reversal round here, right? Nice reversal. We could place, now me, I would, you know, go for a long position round here, right? Long position round here. Maybe stop loss below the 78 extension. Obviously, depending on how you trade, and obviously then I'll probably target to high, because obviously we're still in that kind of ranging position, but you know, you can target, you know, here as well, or even higher. But just for this example, we're just going to target the high. These extensions are take profits, by the way. Okay, so price would have definitely had an entry around here. If you didn't enter here, you had another opportunity over here. And let's see what price does. And does it hit our take profit? Okay, so it hasn't. Okay, yeah, it did hit our take profit, right? It did hit our take profit, and that's how you use a fib. So write down if you understood that. If you want me to do another example, I can, but that's literally how you be using a fib. And obviously I'm targeting right now. I'm targeting here, so you know that's my take profit, and I feel gold's gonna make its way back to 1900 by the end of the week. Yes, definitely, I feel that too. I just want to first wait for the 1840. That's the area that I'm first waiting for. Once price hits the 1840, that's when I'm going to continue the long-term buys. But I just want to literally hop on more buys every single day. I just want to keep buying gold. It makes more sense. Gold is very cheap at the moment too. You know, go from the 1700s to the 1800s is definitely making prices getting more expensive. So you want to actually get in when it's cheap. Again, I want to enter gold round here. I don't want to, you know, I don't want to enter gold too high. I feel like, you know, there could be some sort of pullback. I just need to wait with that pullback though, because we've had a really good morning with gold. You know, so it wouldn't make sense for me to buy at the most highest point. It wouldn't make sense. If price just continues to go up there, we missed out on a trade, but it's cool. We'll just look for another retracement. But you know, buying here makes sense. Buying all the way up here does not make sense. Don't do that. It wouldn't make sense to buy it. Buying at a high price, especially so if it's an uptrend, then you do the fib bottom to top to vice. Yeah, exactly. So for example, let me try to see. Okay, cool. As you can see here, I'm on the 50-minute chart, which it's not always accurate on the 50-minute chart, but I'll just show you an example. So you can see here we're on a downwards trend. Let me use my retracement video right here. As you can see, we broke structure here, right? Broken structure. Go down. We're going to go from top to bottom this time. So top all the way to the bottom. And we're looking to, these are our take profits here. Let me just quickly show you my inputs. So these are my inputs. Screenshot the video or write down these inputs. The colors are up to you, but I like to keep these ones gold because it just reminds me that cool, these are my take profits. Black means these are levels I don't need to look at. These different colors are the different fib levels. I feel like get back into 1810 before it goes further. Yeah. Okay, yeah. That's why I want to enter a bit more lower. I don't want to buy right now. Not right now. Especially I think price is what? 1814 right now? 1815? So I wouldn't want to buy it at that high price right now. But yeah, this is my fib extension inputs. Make sure you screenshot that, put it down on your thing. These are my inputs. And so literally exactly how I did last time. Wait for price to get to one of my levels. And then, okay, looked like it tested at 78. We have definitely entered, you know, having a trading opportunity here. Stop loss right above here. You know, targeting again, I can target the low that we made, or even go lower. I just could low-key go for take profit too as well. And just looking at it, look at that. Basically, almost smashing our take profit. It's gonna smash it. Oops, might have clicked it too much. Yeah, there we go. Smash that take profit. and smash that take profit at 72 pips. And that's literally how you use it in the downwards trend. So yeah. Again, I could have targeted this take profit too. Let's see if it hits our take profit too. And yep, it would have smashed our take profit too as well, which would have been 100 pips. So that's how you use fib. Fib is really, really good. If you understand how to use fib, it's really, really good. You know, it makes your trading, for example, you know, upwards or downwards trend or just ranging. It helps you find entries and take profit. It is very good for entries and take profits. With stop losses, you know, again, if you're placing trades, I say this all the time. If you're gonna place trades, so let's say you place a trade here, right? Obviously, target wherever you want to target. Stop loss always below its previous low. So we can either go for here or this low just to be on the safe side, especially with gold when the market's volatile. You know, targeting, I don't know, 100 pips, let's say we target. So if we go for 100 pips, right? Obviously targeting this low over here. You know, we would have almost been there, would have almost hit our stop loss, but then eventually we hit our take profit. So even though it was a couple pips away from our stop loss, we eventually went and hit our take profit. So it's just know your stop losses. You need to know, you know, your take profit, stop losses, entries. Entries is fib. No, I've been in buys since 1757. Yeah, exactly. That is you know, it is. Me as a day trader, I like to close my trades within the day or within 2 days. But me personally, I had really, really good entries in gold near the 1700 area, which I wished I kept. So yeah, around the 1750 area, I had really good buys. I think we bought here as well. I think if you check my last week's live stream, you would have seen that we bought here. Imagine if I held it all the way up to here. It would have been beautiful profits. But again, my account was small, so it doesn't make sense for me to be buying and holding. It would make more sense to buy, take out profits, buy a higher lot size, take out profits, buy even higher lot size, take out profits. That would make more sense. So yeah, right now, let me cancel this replay bar, because we want to know what price is doing right now. 15 minutes. That makes sense. Right, I'm gonna experiment. Yeah, experiment. Use demo account. Back test with the fib. Don't just go straight away using fibs. But fib really changed the game for me, personally in trading. It helped me understand how trading works. It really helped me understand, you know, the whole retracement, because this is Fibonacci retracement. Where to find it? It's the third one down, all the way here. Fibonacci retracement. So make sure you did you get the sell last week at 1890? The sell last week, let me check. So last week we did hit some sells. So I sold at, okay, so this is where I sold. So okay, no, I didn't actually. I actually sold at 1806. 1806 I sold at last week. But I didn't get this sells. Last week I barely traded. That is really good. That's like a, I don't know, a 1-to-5 ratio, I think it is. Let me know what that ratio is. But yeah, that is really good. 65 pips to 700. Again, me, I like to go for like 100 pips a day. What kind of trader are you, Lewis Gaming, HD? What kind of are you a swing trader? Are you a day trader, intraday trader? I wouldn't for 700 pips. You're definitely like more like a swing trader. But how do you usually trade as well? Because this could have been like a one-off. Yeah. So right now I feel like I missed out an opportunity to buy. We're gonna wait. I feel like price needs to do one more pullback before it gets to the 1830 area. One more pullback makes sense for one more pullback. Again, you know, price hasn't closed above this wick yet, so we're literally waiting for that as well. Again, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and check out all my other videos too. They're all lit. Again, make sure you comment down what kind of trader you are. If you need any help in trading, we can definitely check that out. At the moment, we're currently just looking at gold, but if you want me to look at any currency pairs, let me know. We can definitely go look at other currency pairs as well. Right now, this is not the balance of, I keep forgetting, this is not the balance of my account. This is not the profits that we made this week. I'm just gonna change it for my next live stream. It's just something that I haven't updated yet. But yeah, again, we're literally just waiting for buying gold for 100 pips. Again, I think this is 100 pips, 171 pips, so almost 200 pips, 171 pips. But I want to buy here. I want to buy at this red moving average. I want it to touch that red moving average, and then I want to buy it. Again, let me know what kind of traders you are. I'm a day trader. Been day trading for a very, very long time, more than a year now. I don't even know how long. But let me know what kind of traders you are. Again, if you need any help in any currencies, or you want me to look at a currency pair, let me know. We can definitely go check that out. So right now, I'm literally just waiting for price. Price right now, it has broken this high, but it hasn't closed yet. So literally just waiting for that. Once it has like a minor pullback, pulling itself downwards here, that would be when we're entering. Again, if I just quickly have like a smaller fib, so let's just say, for example, price pullbacks from here, for example. Yeah, see, look at that entry, look at that fib, and look at that entry. That's perfect. 78 extension, and pullback to 1811. That's perfect. You see how everything lines up, right? That means it backs its point. So one point is back in the other point is back in that point, and then it just basically just helps you with your trading as well. It helps you gain your confidence as a trader. But again, if you're new to this live stream, make sure you subscribe, like this video, join the community. We are road to 1,000 subscribers. I want to get that by the end of August. So let's try and push it. Let's try and do it. I'm also vlogging this week as well, so you lot are going to start seeing vlogs come out soon. I'm literally just experimenting with these vlogs. If you like it, you like it. I'm basically just vlogging my journey as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, as an investor. So definitely go subscribe to my channel so we can, you can see how we be investing, how we trading, how by using my trading money to investments to make a bit more businesses. And it looks like we can low-key, shall I be more aggressive, we can low-key just go for a short round over here, obviously here, and then obviously targeting 50 pips, which is around, if I do 0.05, it's around £20. Should I do that? That'll be ultimate. That'll be the ultimate aggressive move, I believe. But it's a 1-to-5 ratio. So I'm gonna wait till price goes a little bit higher. We still got 6 minutes left. I'm gonna wait for price to be a little bit higher so we can buy a little bit higher and then sell at a little bit higher. I feel like that's a good trading setup right there. This is me being aggressive, guys. This is all aggressive moves. If it does go above that wick, then obviously I'm out of the trade, which is minor, £5 loss. If I do 0.05, less than £5, I'll be like £3. Again, if you're new to this live stream, make sure you subscribe, like this video. Currently playing very aggressive right now on gold, trying to sell and then buy. Sell for 50 pips, buy for 200 pips. That will be 250 pips for the day, which is very, very good. So let's hope we can do that. And right now, Gold does not look like it wants to go a little bit higher. I'm ready to sell this though. Ready. Ooh. Yesterday I had one of the best naps. When the vlogs come out, you will know. I had one of the best naps yesterday, and I'm alive today. I think the whole from Monday and Tuesday, yesterday and Monday, you know, oh, this is a really good time to sell. Really good time to sell. Obviously having my stop loss. So imagine I sold all the way up here. Obviously having my stop loss at 17.94. That's really close stop loss though. It's a really close stop loss. I could low key go for like a 10 pips stop loss. 10 pips stop loss. That is what, 18. Let's go for that. That makes so I don't get stopped out, and then obviously take profit 18.11.58. And yes, we're in blue already. We're in blues, so that's really good. But right now it's moving pretty good. Hopefully this candlestick can, we've got 3 more minutes for this candlestick. Hopefully it can just close as a reversal candlestick. That'd be really good. But yeah, that's a really nice entry right there. Really good entry. And there we go, boom. That's more like it. This is me playing very aggressive in the market. You know, having a 5 pip. You know, I've just moved it to 10 pips, but having like it was going to be 5 pip stop loss for a 60 pip take profit, 1-to-6 ratio. So that's really good. So if you're new to this live stream, make sure you subscribe, like this video, keep sharing this. Road to 1K subscribers by the end of August. Come, let's keep pushing it. Keep sharing. Support the hustle, support the grind. And right now, 2 more minutes for this candlestick to close. Hopefully these are just trying to carry in any last minute sellers. Hopefully you can do that. Just looking at the charts right now. What was the target? It didn't even plug in my inputs. 11.58. It did not even plug in my inputs. I don't know why I didn't do it. Let's just hope that this can hit profit. Even if it doesn't hit profit, I think the loss is like £5, which is minor, which is not too bad. Again, if you're new to this live stream, make sure you subscribe. If you're new to this live stream and you're already subscribed, welcome to the community, welcome to the winning team. We out here, anyone that's young, old, we're making you successful traders. You're in the journey of a successful trader. So make sure you keep supporting the hustle, and you can see the content just getting upgraded every single week. Every single time content just gets upgraded. Next week you're gonna start seeing live streams and vlogs. That's like 2 contents a day, which is amazing. Don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we're just gonna push it. This summer holiday, you lot are gonna see the most videos come out of me. My goal is, you know, trying to hit like 50 videos by the end of this year. So right now, if I have a look, we are at, okay, so including my live streams, we are at okay, we got a lot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36 videos so far. I did start in February, and we're having good growth as well. So let's hope by the end of this month we're hitting 50 videos. That's a promise to you lot. That's a promise. We're hitting 50 videos by the end of this week. Sorry, this month. By the end of this month. I do not know why I said this week. End of this month we're hitting 50 videos. And then by the end of August, let's aim for 100 videos, including my live stream. We're live streaming every single day. So let's hope we can get that done. Let's hope we can do that. Tomorrow, unfortunately, guys, I will not be doing a live stream, only because I'm vlogging tomorrow and I got a couple things. It's for this new business that we're starting up. We've already started actually, so because of that, I'm not gonna be doing a vlog tomorrow. Sorry, live stream tomorrow. But tomorrow's a good day. Make sure you lot subscribe. Make sure you lot have a good trading day tomorrow. If there's anything you want me to show you now, we can show you. You know, any setups for tomorrow in any currency pair. Let me know. We can definitely have a look. Right now, we're in good profit as well. Let's hope that we can get this. So if it's 50 pips, I think it's like 20, 30 pounds, 20, 30 pounds on a 0.05. So let's hope we can get that 20, 30 pounds boosting us for this next. So I'm going to just keep an alert in both these areas. So we alert ourselves for in a trade or not. I need to make that £6 back that I lost last night. So let's hope that this can do it for us. But yeah, right now, it's 12:46. Last 15-minute candlestick, and then we are done with this live stream for today. So again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video, and yeah. If there's anything you want me to do in these live streams, if you want me to do any additional stuff, for example, you know, story times. Another example can be, you know, my biggest loss as a trader so far, which I think you lot would enjoy that, my biggest loss in trading. And then we can also do like, you know, my biggest profits. You can do so many things, so many different story times. Just let me know in the comments below. If you like this type of live streams, let me know. If there are things I need to improve, let me know as well. Again, get out my Instagram, Mullafx. My socials are also in the description below. My Snapchat is m9.official. Make sure you get out both of them. I'm always active on either. It's either, you know, my Snapchat or Instagram. Instagram, you can just DM me and I'll get back to you ASAP. So yeah, but right now looking like we're still in profit. We're still in blue, guys. We're still in blue. So we're still good. We're still good. We're still good. Just gotta hope that this just smashes this take profit. Just gotta hope that. But right now. Your biggest loss sounds really good. Yeah, I'll definitely do a video on that. Definitely do a video on the biggest loss. I think that'll be a really good video. So you lot can learn how I adjusted to it, how I made money as well. How I basically just adjusted to it and just continued trading the next day. You know, not feeling anything crazy, but right now the market wants to move crazy. We're in red right now, but hopefully this candlestick, we got 11 minutes. Hopefully this candlestick can just drop. That's what I want right now. So drop. But yeah, right now it looks like it's testing its the highs, getting all the sellers to sell. Hopefully all the sellers can sell right now. Back on blues. It's really, I hate this timing when we're just in lost profit like in seconds. But once I know, like once we're here and we're clear, just move my stop loss to break even, and then we're comfortable. But yeah, right now, just checking my YouTube as well. We've got another 10 more minutes till this live stream ends, and then we're good for today. We've entered a sell on gold. If you're new to this live stream as well, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're always, you know how it goes, we're always in blues in these trades, so that's really, really good. Right now, this what are your plans for the other YouTube vlogs or live videos? So with my live videos, I'm gonna continue with the live videos, but with the vlogs, I'm gonna try and aim to do a vlog a day, or even if it's not a vlog a day, a vlog on like a Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, or Wednesday, Fridays, and Sundays. I'm gonna pick days which feels comfortable to publish vlogs, and just vlog what I do on a day-to-day basis, behind the scenes of trading, and just show you lot how my mindset is behind trading as well. Couple story times, couple mukbangs, couple challenges throughout the way. So yeah, just to make things more interesting. But yeah, right now, yeah, we're in good profit as well right now. I like this kind of candlestick. 8 more minutes. I love this kind of candlestick as well. Candlestick's looking good. This is like our third week doing our third week doing live stream. That's really, really good as well. Last week we did lack on some live streams, but it's fine though, it's fine. But yeah, right now I'm just looking at my trades. We're doing really good. It's like £4 profit now. £4 profit, so we're pretty good. Let's just keep pumping, keep pushing, go down. Everyone sell gold. Everyone sell gold so we can get some profits in here. See, even if we didn't get this buying opportunity here, we always get opportunities in trading. No matter what time you start, you could be working for the whole day. Again, no matter what time you start, you're always going to always going to see opportunities no matter what time. It could be 1 o'clock in the morning, it could be 3 o'clock in the morning, it could be throughout the day. If you have night shift jobs, you could do it throughout the day. But yeah. But am I going to continue the live stream? Yes, I am going to continue the live stream during the summer holidays. Because we still gotta make money during the summer holidays. Money's always the motive. Always gonna be here out making money. There's no such thing as holidays. So yeah, and I know a lot of you lot that are coming into summer holidays want to look for new sources of income. This is the best time to subscribe to me. I've got so many videos on just new sources of income. So make sure you lot stay tuned for that as well. It's 11:53, and this trade keeps going in red and blue. But yeah, what's good? What's good for all the new traders out here, all the new subscribers. Make sure you subscribe as well. Right now we're in a sell in gold. We're still in profit, but it just keeps hovering around my entry line, which is kind of annoying. Hopefully, this kind of closes on a small or even a downwards push. Hopefully it can do that. Again, I think it's a 10 pip stop loss, which is very, very tight, but minor though, minor. But yeah, look, it just keeps hovering over my entry. Literally just keeps hovering over my entry. But again, if you got any questions for me, make sure you ask them now. I do live streams from Monday to Friday. I know it says 11:30 to 1. I've changed it now to 12 to 1. Just keep news on USD could affect. Yes. Let's actually go check out Forex Factory really quickly, because I know there was news on USD yesterday. Like I said at the beginning of this live stream, there was something that was affecting USD. And yeah, 100%. Every time there's something on USD, there's always it always affects gold. Always. So today is not the 12th. Today is the 14th. So that's how long I haven't checked. Would you recommend us to start trading with a large amount of money or start with a £10 account? Okay. I recommend start with £200 account. £10 account is more to get used to trading. On my academy, I normally get them to start off with a £10 account first, just get used to the app, get used to buying and selling and risk management. But I always let them know that start up on a £200 account, so you can have breathing space for your stop losses, and you can grow that £200 to 400 or 500 or even £1,000 in under a month, if you do it correctly. So right now, our account is around like £300 something, but I do take out money every week. So that was yesterday. So today is the 14th. Let's have a look at any USD. So yeah, PPI. This has not been done yet. This is at 130, so we still got some time. I feel like this will help gold drop. It's been kind of okay. The last time it was weak was January 15th, 2021. Throughout this whole month, it's been pretty strong. So we might see some push to the upside, but I feel like if we just look at, I feel like it shouldn't really be too much of a difference. If you're new to Forex Factory, just a really quick beginner's tip: if these folders are yellow or even gray, it means it's really, like, for example, low impact expected. It means that it's not going to affect the market too much, so don't worry about them too much. The ones you want to worry about are the orange ones and the red ones. The red ones are very, very important, because if you're new to Forex and you don't know anything about these red news, what's going to happen is you're going to be placing buys or sells, and it's either going to hit your take profit really, really quickly, or it's going to hit your stop loss, and you won't know why. And you always want to know why, right? Especially, look, for example, euro, there's French bank holiday, so there's no excuse to be buying euros at the moment, because it's bank holiday. Banks are not going to be helping you push the currency up. A lot of people might be selling euro because it's a bank holiday, right? So it's things like that you want to just make sure you're aware of. For example, bank holidays. You want to make sure the 10-year bonds, the NFPs, just the NFP before it happens. You want to know all of this stuff. For example, over here we've got NZD 3 a.m. I don't know too much about any other currency. I know more about GBP and USD. But again, if you look, you will know if it was expected well, it was lower than expected, was it better than expected, did the currency go up or down? Research, back test. For example, if you're just and if you're new to trading and you want to know your currency pair, definitely look at the news, definitely look at the fundamental side as well. I might even just do a whole new video on fundamental analysis and understanding what these mean. Like, for example, the 10-year bond auction. Is that will that help the currency? Will it not? Inflation rates, does that help the currency pair? Does it weaken the currency pair? It's high inflation, there's low inflations, right? There's so many different reasons. There's different sectors in fundamental analysis as well that you need to pay attention to. So I'm not going to go too much into it right now. I feel like it will kind of get a bit boring as well. But yeah, right now that kind of stick's looking beautiful. I hope it can stay like that. And then yeah, so for you who was asking if there's news on USD, could it affect gold? Yes, most definitely it will. Again, if you're new to these live streams, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and join the community, join the winning side. content is every day. We always got some sort of content out every single day. So make sure you stay tuned for that as well. I won't be doing a live stream tomorrow, but on Friday we're going to be doing a live stream on analysis of the day. Analysis of the week and what's going to happen next week. So make sure you stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, this trade is looking very, very, very good so far. We had like some sort of sniper entry. If USD is weak, what will happen on the Euro USD pair? So, okay, so if USD is weak, Euro will be and Euro is stronger. So remember, if USD is weak, let me just quickly get my heat map out. This is on my academy, so free. So this is my heat map. If, for example, let's say USD is weak, right, and Euro is stronger than USD right now, what's gonna happen is Euro is gonna be stronger. But just because USD is weak doesn't mean is gonna be weak across the board. So for example, you know, on the CHF, you can see USD is actually stronger. So that means, you know, a lot of people are still buying USD, and you don't want to be biased and say, okay, USD is weak on the news, but on this currency pair, people are buying it. Why is that? Right, so that's where this heat map comes in. You can see across the whole board that every single currency is weak, weaker than NZD. NZD is doing crazy amount of really, really strong. So buying NZD would be really, really, really helpful. Again, you know, if USD is weak, Euro USD will be going up. It's bullish. You know, you're seeing more buys in that pair. You're not a lot of shorts would be stopped out really, really quickly. A lot of buyers will be holding on for a longer term. You know, a lot of day traders will kick in, especially if there's news. A lot of day traders will kick in and see what is going on there. But yeah, right now this next candlestick looks crazy. It looks like it's trying to stop a lot of people out. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out. Hopefully it just continues to the downside. That's a really nice candlestick. Hopefully we could see a nice downwards push. But again, it's 1 o'clock, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end the live stream now, and I'm gonna see you lot in tomorrow's live stream. Sorry, not tomorrow's live stream. In Friday's live stream. Again, like I said, I am not doing a live stream tomorrow. I'm doing a vlog instead. So make sure you stay tuned for that as well, and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you like this video. You check out my other videos as well. You lot are smashing it with the other videos, and I'll see you lot on Friday.